They call this the fossil area. They need you to acquire a permit from the nature center, and you can dig for fossils. That's what all those cars there are doing. It's hot like the desert. Still on our trail to the swinging bridge, though. We see a boat. He's out there smoking. And we started way past that boat, just about there. Burning some calories today. I hope that boat is okay. Here we go, folks. This husband is going to buy me some hot wings today. We are still hiking up this hill. It's hot, it's humid, and it was an incline. Again, burning calories, buying me hot wings. Oh my goodness. What is this?
Recorded.
Ew. Oh, it's dead. OMG. Oh my goodness, that was nasty.
Recording gonna make these videos too long.
Swinging bridge this way. At least we know we're not lost. That is where we're headed. Can you see that drop off? Makes me dizzy. We're almost there, babe. We've almost made it to the swinging bridge. How do you feel? He said, I'm out of shape. We wonder why the raccoon died back there. He's taking this hike to the swinging bridge, and he died right on the trail. Here it is, the swinging bridge. Horseshoe Falls. We can go back that way, huh? I think. The bridge was built through generous donations from the Ohio River Road Runners. Nice. We love the Army Corps of Engineers. There it is. We're gonna cross. Here we go. Crossing this bridge for my mom. Always do the bridges for my mom. Pat is shaking it. Whoa. See this snake? Oh, the sun is blocking him. See the brown snake? His head is sticking up out of that water. Oh, he went right down in there.
He's breathing. He's got to breathe.
Oh. Part of the water. It's awful low and dry. Hasn't rained very much. Alright, we see some fish down there. Catfish. And what were the other ones, babe?
Maybe probably bluegill.
Bluegill. But here are the falls. Horseshoe Falls. Again, pretty dry. It's more like a trickle. Little bench up there. I think I need to sit at. Beautiful. Again, this is inside Caesar Creek State Park.
We'll get taken care of. You want to put your gym shoes back on? Okay, then you're all done playing in the water. Let's go back over here and put it. Back over here then.
Remember when I looked over the cliff? It was right there. You see where we're at? We are way down here. Again, they need lots of rain here. Caesar Creek. Pat found a fossil. Looks like an animal. Still walking the creek. Very low creek. You can tell water should be up this high, but it's just right here. Trying to get this butterfly. Oh gosh. Goodness. that was our hike to the swinging bridge in Horseshoe Falls. I think have survived. You all right, babe? You good? Hot wings. He's gonna take me get hot wings. I know he is.